Firstly, acquire a large watermelon and quarter it. Peel the watermelon, remove the pulp, and reserve it for another use. What we need are the rinds. Cut them into 1-inch cubes and reserve 12 cups of these rind cubes in a large container. Next, stir together 3/4 of a cup of salt and 3 quarts of water. Then pour this mixture over the rind. Add 2 quarts of ice cubes to this rind mix, cover it, and let it stand for 8 hours. Once the time has elapsed, rinse it well and drain. Now it's time to cook the rind. With water to cover it in a Dutch oven, cook it over high heat for around 10 minutes or until it turns tender. Then drain it. For the next step, you'll need a 3-inch square of cheesecloth. Place a tablespoon each of whole cloves and allspice on it, then tie it up with a string. Stir together 9 cups of sugar, 3 cups of white vinegar, and 3 cups of water. Then add the spice bag. Bring this mixture to a boil and let it boil for 5 minutes. Pour this concoction over the rind and stir in thinly sliced lemon. Cover this and let it stand for another 8 hours. Afterwards, bring the rind and syrup mixture to a boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer. Stir occasionally for an hour, then discard the spice bag. Now pack this rind mixture into hot jars, filling up to a 1/2 inch from the top. Add a 3-inch cinnamon stick to each jar. Remove air bubbles, wipe the jar rims, then cover immediately with metal lids and screw-on bands. Finally, process the jars in a boiling water bath for 0 minutes. And there you have it. Your homemade, natural Viagra is ready. This recipe yields 5 12-ounce jars. To summarize, this homemade Viagra recipe is quite straightforward. It involves pickling watermelon rinds with a mix of spices, sugar, and vinegar. Not only is it a natural remedy for boosting vitality, but it also offers a delightful taste. The process might seem lengthy, but the end product is undoubtedly worth the effort. So, give it a try and experience the benefits it brings.